Rogersville, Alabama has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for eastern Lauderdale County in northwestern Alabama, southeastern Colbert County in northwestern Alabama, northeastern Franklin County in northwestern Alabama, Lawrence County in northwestern Alabama, until 10:45 a.m. Central Daylight Time. At 10:22 a.m. Central Daylight Time, severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from 11 miles southeast of Walnut Grove to near Brushy Lake, moving east at 45 miles per hour. 60 miles per hour. Sighting and trees. Locations impacted include Florence, Muscle Shoals, Sheffield, Tuscumbia, Morgan, Trinity, Rogersville, Dillon, Downsea, and Lincoln. Protection moved to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 10:45 a.m. Central Daylight Time for the following county: Lawrence, Alabama. The National Weather Service in Nashville has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Wayne County in Middle Tennessee, Lawrence County in Middle Tennessee, until 11:15 a.m. Central Daylight Time. At 10:27 a.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located 7 miles west of Collinwood, or 13 miles southwest of Waynesboro, moving east at 50 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and any size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Lawrenceburg, Waynesboro, Loretto, Collinwood, Summertown, Clinton, St. Joseph, East Ridge, Henryville, Cypress End, Lutz, Leoma, West Point, and Iron City. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Northwestern Alabama, Limestone County in north-central Alabama, northwestern Morgan County in north-central Alabama, northeastern Lawrence County in northwestern Alabama. Severe thunderstorms were located along the line extending from 6 miles west of moving at 60 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Decatur, Madison, Athens, Trinity, Rogersville, Ardmore, Lexington, Cortland, Tanner, and Harvest. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 11:15 a.m. Central Daylight Time for the following counties in Alabama: Lawrence, Limestone, and Morgan. Number 204, effective until 3 p.m. Central Daylight Time. Persons should remain alert for rapidly changing weather conditions and listen for later statements and possible warnings. Stay tuned to NOAA Weather Radio. Commercial radio storm watch means the internet sources for the latest severe weather information, including large hail and damage.
Doubleheader! Doubleheader! Doubleheader!
Nashville has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southern Marshall County in Middle Tennessee, eastern Lawrence County in Middle Tennessee, Giles County in Middle Tennessee, until noon Central Daylight Time. At 11:10 a.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near Lawrenceburg, moving east at 50 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and penny-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Lewisburg, Lawrenceburg, Pulaski, Summertown, Ardmore, Cornersville, Elkton, Minor Hill, Eastridge, Lineville, Henryville, Belfast, Good Spring, Leoma, Franklin, and Prospect. This includes Interstate 65 between mile markers 1 and 32. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.
Any more?
Thunderstorm warning for northeastern Jackson County in northeastern Alabama until 1 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 12:36 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near Bridgeport, moving east at 40 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Bridgeport, Higdon, and Long Island. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 1 p.m. Central Daylight Time for the following county: Jackson, Alabama.
There's a tornado warning cone in effect right there.
National Weather Service has issued Tornado Watch number 208, effective until 10 p.m. Central Daylight Time. This watch includes the following county: Moore, Tennessee. Remember, a tornado watch means the conditions are favorable for the development of severe weather, including tornadoes, large hail, and damaging winds in and close to the watch area. While severe weather may not be imminent, persons should remain alert for rapidly changing weather conditions and listen for later statements and possible warnings. Stay tuned to NOAA weather radio, commercial radio and television outlets, or internet sources for the latest severe weather information. Originates from the National Weather Service office near Nashville and is provided in conjunction with the National Weather Service in Huntsville, Alabama has issued a tornado warning for southeastern Colbert County in northwestern Alabama, northeastern Franklin County in northwestern Alabama, southwestern Lawrence County in northwestern Alabama until 6:15 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 5:45 p.m. Central Daylight Time, the tornado was located near Russellville, moving at 15 miles per hour. Hazard, tornado. Source, radar indicated rotation. Impact, flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be Locations impacted include Russellville, Littlerville, Newburgh, Hatton, Mount Hope, Long Range, Sharptown, Northeast Smith, Landersville, and Western Bankhead National Forest. Take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. Repeating, a tornado warning has been issued until 6:15 p.m. Central Daylight Time for the following county: Lawrence, Alabama. Rapidly changing weather conditions and listen for
Oh,
later
wait.
statements and
Hold on.
possible warnings. Stay tuned to NOAA weather radio, commercial radio and television outlets, or internet sources for the latest severe weather information. Repeating, Tornado Watch number 208 has been issued until 10 p.m. Central Daylight Time for the following counties in Alabama: Lawrence, Limestone, Madison, Marshall, and Morgan, and the following counties in Tennessee: Giles and Lincoln. The metropolitan area weather conditions. The National Weather Service in Nashville has issued a tornado warning for southern Wayne County in Middle Tennessee until 8:30 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 8:11 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located 11 miles east of Walnut Grove, or 18 miles northwest of Florence, moving east at 20 miles per hour. Hazard: tornado. Source: radar indicated rotation. Impact: flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. This tornadic thunderstorm will remain over mainly rural areas of southern Wayne County, including the following locations: 5 to 10. Take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. The National Weather Service in Nashville has issued a tornado warning for southeastern Wayne County in Middle Tennessee, southwestern Lawrence County in Middle Tennessee, until 9:30 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 8:55 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located flooding is becoming increasingly likely. Some locations that will experience flooding include Loretto, Collinwood, St. Joseph, West Point, Iron City, Cypress, and Lutz. Be especially cautious at night when it is harder to recognize the dangers of flooding. Until 2:15 a.m. Central Daylight Time. At 11:22 p.m. Central Daylight Time, Doppler radar indicated thunderstorms producing heavy rain across the warned area. 1.5 to 3 inches of rain has fallen since early Saturday morning. Flash flooding is becoming increasingly likely. Some locations that will experience flooding include Waynesboro and Clifton. Be especially cautious at night when it is harder to recognize the dangers of flooding. Until 2:15 a.m. Central Daylight Time. At 11:22 p.m. Central Daylight Time, Doppler radar indicated thunderstorms producing heavy rain across the warned area. 1.5 to 3 inches of rain has fallen since early Saturday morning. Flash flooding is becoming increasingly likely. Some locations that will experience flooding include Waynesboro and Clifton. Be especially cautious at night when it is harder to recognize the dangers of flooding.